Welcome back, artists, and check out this winter wonderland. Been adding more and more characters every day, filling up our scene, filling up this town. Look how much work the beaver has done on the house. Look at our walrus with its large slice of pizza. We have to figure out what's gonna go in this cave. I have no idea. Will this porcupine ever let go of this balloon? I don't know, but we have to add a new character today. So today I'm gonna show you how to draw this bird. Yeah, it's really simple. You're gonna have a blast drawing this character. We're actually gonna make several different kinds of birds. And then we're gonna open a gift or a present, see what we're gonna give to our little cartoon bird character here, and then we need to add it to our winter wonderland scene. So grab a pencil and paper and let's start drawing. So to draw this bird, we're gonna use a number 12, just like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the bird's eyes. So we're gonna draw an eye here and another eye right here. And hey, do me a favor, when you're drawing this character, go crazy, go wild. Do not try to draw perfect, because guess what? Cartoons are not perfect. They are fun, they are crazy, they are weird. Let's draw the bird's beak. We're gonna draw a line here around like this. And then we're gonna draw a big smile for our bird inside that beak. Here, we're going to add a hat. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna draw a line here and here. And then a little pom-pom for the top of the hat. Are you starting to see a bird come to life? It's pretty simple. We're almost done. We're gonna draw the body. So we start here, the bottom of what used to be a number 1. We're just gonna draw a line that goes around like this. And then let's draw a bird wing here. Let's give this bird a tail right there at the end. We're just gonna draw some fun feathers like so. And then we need to add some bird feet. So we're just going to draw really simple. We're just gonna draw these little L-shaped lines like this, and then draw some extra little sticks coming off of those, and just like that, you have a bird. Yeah! But what I want you to do is I want you to come up with lots of different bird characters. So, for example, you can have a bird like this, or this, or this. Try coming up with lots of different birds using the number 12. See what you can come up with. While you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the gift and see what our bird or birds are going to get. Okay, let's open this present and see what our bird. Seeds, perfect. So we're gonna add these seeds right here to our character, pretty simple. And then let's add our character to our winter wonderland. Our winter wonderland is filling up, and I did make a change to the characters. I started adding these little, kind of making them look like stickers, so I had a little white border. And that way, with the drop shadow, they kind of pop off the background. So I think that's going to be really fun, and it really, you can see a difference. I haven't done it to all of them, but I do like this effect. Here, why don't we add the birds right here? Just like that, we have our bird characters with the little bird seed, and I added all the birds. So feel free to do that to your winter wonderland scene as well. Now, artists, you might be looking at this and saying, wow, there's so many characters that I never got a chance to draw. Well, they might be over at Harptooniacs, my membership art site, where I have tons of different drawing lessons, and you can spin a picker wheel, and there are comic pages and animations and all sorts of fun things. Check it out. I have 3 free lessons you can try. Just go to the link below this video, and I hope to see you over there. Hey, I hope to see you in the next lesson. We're going to do some more drawing, creating, and imagining. So,
grab your pencil and your paper.